Remote controls. How many remote controls have we got in our households? I've got about 7. That's including the Sky, the DVD, the games machine, and the actual BT Vision box. Question for you. How can we actually test a remote control to see if it works, without using the appliance it's actually made for? Most remote controls nowadays are actually infrared. Now if you turn the actual remote control around and look at the top where the transmitter is, and press a button, you cannot see the actual LED transmitter flashing. But now, if you get yourself a digital camera, like a webcam like I'm using, or a mobile phone, point the actual remote control to the eye of the camera, press a button, you can actually see the LED flashing. This is only possible through a digital camera, that the actual LED is visible to the naked eye. And this is a very good way of seeing if a button's stuck down, or even simple, is the batteries working. Now I've used this technique many times. It's one hell of a good way of actually testing a remote control.